How to create a video in Canva with music. So want to make a video with background music in Canva? Here's how to do that. So log into Canva and then go ahead and select video. And then under this, you'll find a couple of ratios you can choose from. So for example, you want to create a square video. Simply select this ratio and that will take you here. So in here, you can go ahead and add the videos that you have, such as the raw files, and then you can add the audio. So for example, I want to create a video from photos. I'll simply drag the photos into my right and then make sure that it fits your canvas. So if you want to use the ratio of the photos as is, you can go ahead and set that in the middle of your canvas and then add a background or add a shadow for the photo. And then you can add an audio. So click on this add audio into the section. So you can go ahead and add music and sound effects, upload an audio, record a voiceover, or allow Canva to create an AI voice for your video. So once you're satisfied with your video, you can go ahead and export it as an MP4. So that is how you can create a video in Canva with music.